This guide works in any mechanical CAD software. First, let's design the bottom part of the ProtoSwitchBoard. We start with an 86mm square, with a thickness of 2.1mm. On top of that, we add a block that holds a business card. It doesn't need to be the exact size of the card. 83 by 53mm rectangle covers all the label openings perfectly. Let's center it horizontally and add a small margin in the bottom. The margin will be 1.5mm in this case. 3mm high will be enough. We will fit everything later when designing the top part. Now we need some cutouts for the rows of pins on the PCB. A 5 by 28mm cut is enough. The cut goes flush to the top part. And we need 10 of the same. There is about 68mm between the first and last rows of pins, so we have to space them around that number. For now, 74mm between the first and last will work okay. Let's center them and select all of them for being extruded against the base. To finish the design, let's add some fillets to the base and card holder, and a handle to extract the base from the cover. It's going to be a small 2.5 by 30mm extra piece at the bottom. With some rounding, and that's it! The bottom part of the ProtoSwitchBoard.